Okay, so we've been doing percents. This is not that much different. So if it says percent of change or increase or decrease, the first thing you're going to do is calculate the amount of change. And then you're going to set up a proportion, and then you know what to do from there. So number 1 says Amber got a raise and her hourly wage increased. That's a keyword. Increased from $10 to $11.50. What is the percent increase? This percent increase tells you that it's not a regular percent problem. First, we have to know how much it increased. How much did her wage increase? Well, it went from $10 to $11.50. So we need to find out how much it went up. So she got an extra $1.50 each hour. That is your change. That's what goes here. Now underneath that, it says the original amount. What was her pay originally? Did it start at $10 or did it start at $11.50? It started at $10, so 10 is the bottom number. And then you have X over 100. Hit pause and solve it, or if you're fast, you can go ahead and solve it. I'm going to work on it at the same time you do. I multiplied 150 times 100 and 10 times X. And now I will divide by 10. Which 150 divided by 10 is 15. So the only thing different from yesterday to today is that you have to subtract. Number 2 is just like number 1, so I'm not going to help you on number 2. Hit pause, do number 2. It'll be easier if you do it right now. Number 3 says, if the price of a purse was reduced from $60 to $45, by what percent was the price reduced? This price reduced, or percent reduced, that's a percent increase, decrease. So, first we have to know how much did it reduce. We went from 60 to 45. So it reduced $15. Now that's not the same as 15%. We're going to have to set that up in a percent proportion. We're looking for the percent. We know it went down $15. What's my original? Is my original $60 or $45? Yeah, the purse started at $60. Go ahead and solve. 15 times 100 and 60 times X. And then divide by 60. So if you're not done, hit pause, because I'm about to give you the answer and it's no fun if you're not done. By what percent was the price reduced? It was reduced by 25%. Number 4 is just like number 3. It's a decrease. So make sure you're paying attention to what the original amount is. Alright, number 5. A town's population went from 25,000 to 45,000 in 15 years. What is the percent of change? And is the percent increase or decrease? Well, let's answer the second question first. If we started at 25,000 and we went to 45,000, are we increasing or decreasing? We are increasing, right? Our number went up. Now we can set up our proportion. So first of all, how much did we change? $20,000, that's what goes on top. On bottom is our original. Did we start at 25,000 or did we start at 45,000? We started at 25,000. Now you can solve. Actually, I'm going to get rid of 1, 2. I am saying that we increased 80%. Number 6 is like number 5. First decide if it's an increase or a decrease, and then decide what percent.